Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of客家客on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 没问题 no problem.
没问题。
没问题。通常我们说没问题，可能是在要帮忙人家，然后就说没问题啦哈，我来照顾啦哈。
OK，
I'll take care of things. 可是有的时候没问题，真的是在讲没问题。
可能身体不舒服，问人家说，你真的没问题吗？
Right, exactly. 有这种状况，对不对？ When you say no problem, even in English, it could be in a scenario where you're helping someone out and you say, yeah, no problem, I'll take care of it. But it also could literally mean, I have no problem. So let's put you in that scenario. 我昨天去医院检查 I went for a checkup at the hospital yesterday.
我抽本日。
我抽本日。
去평행检查。
去평행检查。
或者可以说去医院检查。
去医院检查。Okay, two different ways of saying a hospital. 医院 or 평행。
对。
Okay, I went to the hospital yesterday for a checkup. 刚刚说检查怎么说？
检查。
检查 that means a checkup. 那当然对方会关心一下啦。
或者说还好吗？
Exactly, you know, you got to show your care. Are you okay?
没关系吼。
没关系吼。
或者是没相干吼。
没相干吼。
还有可以说成没要紧吼。
没要紧吼，没要紧听起来就是不要紧那种感觉，对不对？可第二个呢？
没相干吼，
不相关你的事啊，是什么啊？没相干，
没关系
也是没关系哦。
你以为不相干啊？
你好冷血哦！
我才不是这种人呢。
Alright, that's three different ways of just saying how are you? Are you okay? Although one of them actually sounds like it has nothing to do with me, but it's actually are you okay? 还好吗？还好啦，医生说我没问题。
先生讲我没问题。
先生讲我没问题。Okay, 没问题 we already have been teaching you it's no problem. 那个先生说是医生啊，对不对？
对，先生讲。
先生讲 that means the doctor said I'm okay.
对，
还好没问题。Let's review some of these terms such as the hospital 医院。
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 也可以说평행。
평행 There's two different ways of saying 医院 or 病院，对不对？好，再来还好吗 ？Are you okay?
没关系吼。
没关系吼。还有
没相干吼。
没相干吼。
没要紧吼。
没要紧吼。Three different ways of saying are you okay? And finally, the doctor, 医生。
先生。
先生 Okay, that is a doctor. It's all about saying 没问题 no problem.
没问题。
没问题 And now you know. Hopefully you're all healthy and thank you for listening to today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.